Nkiruka, Obaego, what happened? Where have you been? What's up guys, welcome back once again to the channel. It's Nkiruka, Obaego. In today's video guys, we are going to be doing a lot of talk on what happened, why do I stop posting videos, where have I been, so all that I'm going to be tackling in this video. So I'm going to start with NYLC. So in the year 2021, November 2021, I went for my NYSC. I camped in Port Harcourt. Yes, that was where I camped, and after that I was posted to Rumu Odumaya in Obaego local government area, where I served in Brentwood Academy. So during my days in the NYSC, I used to post videos, I used to upload videos, so you guys may not notice that I was serving while I was doing all that. So I had you guys in mind during my service here. So after that, I got married to my husband, my lovely husband, and story changed. Family activities kicked in, right? So after my marriage, we are preparing for our white wedding. We haven't done that yet, so we are preparing for that traditional marriage and white wedding. I'm going to show you guys in due time, right? So now moving on to shop hunting. So after marriage I had to upgrade. I went for an upgrade in the fashion academy. I registered with Precious Apparel Fashion Academy in Obaego, Lagos. That was where I did my fashion upgrade. So after that, it was a 3-month intensive fashion upgrade. So after that, I thought to myself, I need a physical shop where I can train, and also sew for people. Now I registered my business name as Picky Clothing and Fashion Academy, right? And I shopped hunt for like 3 to 4 months before I finally settled down with what works for me. Yeah, I needed a place that is very spacious. I saw them, but the price they were calling me are too high, like 1.3, 1,700,000, 500 and thereabout. But I thank God that finally I settled down with a particular shop and in a good location too. Yes, so I opened my shop, started sewing and showcasing, and God has been faithful. I have customers tripping in and out, people making inquiries, and people also bringing their clothes for me to sew because of the styles involved, the neat finishing, like you always know. One thing in fashion I must tell you guys is take your measurements accurately, yeah, and after that you have to cut, right? Yes, you cut, you sew, but the end product of neatness and fit is very, very important. So that is what you guys are going to have at the back of your mind. So I will say that most of the things that made people to come in and ask, you understand, like how do you sew this and that, is because of the clothes I showcased, the neat finishings and all that. So I was new to the area, but I didn't feel it because I always had people coming into the shop to inquire. So now I'm a shop owner, yay! So what am I bringing to the channel now that I am back? We're going to continue with our cutting and sewing tutorials. New thing to the table I'm bringing is sewing tips and tricks on how to make your sewing game change, how to make your clothes look more professional. That is what I'm bringing back to the table this time around. And tutorials these days, or tutorials from now on, is going to be a game changer. So guys, that's the activities so far in my life. This is just like an update because I know lots of you will be wondering what happened. I've not been posting this and that. So I'll continue my sewing tutorials. You guys should sewing tutorials. Expect a new game to the channel, different ways to do things. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, click on the notification bell, and do not forget to like this video. Bye.